Hi, I'm Dana, teaching artist with Young Audience of Louisiana, partnering with the Ogden Museum of Southern Art. Welcome to Workshop Express Yourself. In this lesson, we will focus on early language skills. You and your little one will engage in a few fun activities that will help increase their vocabulary. We will also incorporate a few Spanish words in Espanol, like hola y adios, hello and goodbye. All you will need to do is make sure that your space is safe for you to move around and dance and sing, and of course, have fun. I'll give you a few seconds to get ready. It's a challenge to learn a new language, but your toddlers are up for the task. Language is developed through an understanding of three components: a language sound system, words, and grammar. Every exchange between you and your little ones provide them with a batch of rich information to connect them to their new world. Kids love your voice. So every time you engage with your child through oral communication, it gives them a connection between words and everyday life. So talk, then talk a little bit more. But if you run out of words, you can read or sing. Okay, let's get started with our hello song. Today I have my son, Jidelu. He's going to help me sing a few songs. So today we're going to sing our hello song. Let's start off by putting one hand up and two hands up. Wiggle your fingers, let me know that you're ready. Wiggle them high and low and high and low. Can you say high? High. Say low and low. Do it again. High and low. Good job. Hands are up. Wiggle those fingers again and let me know that you're ready. Oh, good job. Good job. Let's start off by singing our hello song. One hand at a time. You ready? Two hands up. Here we go. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello, hello. Both hands. Hello, everybody. Hello, hello, hello. Again. Hello, hello, hello. And sing. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, everybody. Hello, hello, hello. Jidelu, say hello.
Hello.
Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello, hello. Both hands. Hello, everybody. Hello, hello, hello. Zoe, say hello.
Hello.
Here we go. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello, hello. Both hands. Hello, everybody. Hello, hello, hello. Goldie, can you say hello?
Hello.
Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello, hello. Both hands. Hello, everybody. Hello, hello, hello. Liam, can you say hello?
Hello.
Keep going. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello, hello. Both hands. Hello, everybody. Hello, hello, hello. Ari, Vivian, can you say hello?
Hello.
Again. Hello, hello, hello. Keep singing. Hello, hello, hello. Both hands. Hello, everybody. Hello, hello, hello. Now, everybody say hello.
Hello.
Good job. Let's sing it one more time. But now we're going to sing hola. Hola. Can you say hola?
Hola.
Hola is how you say hello in Spanish. So let's take hello and change it to hola. Can you say hola?
Hola.
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 Here we go. Hands up. Manos up. Manos is how you say manos. Say hands in Spanish. Here we go. Hands up. Hola. Hola, hola, hola. Hola, hola, hola. Hola, everybody. Hola, hola, hola. One more time. Hola, hola, hola. Hola, hola, hola. Both hands. Hola, everybody. Hola, hola, hola. Hands, manos, down. Oh, good job, good job. Good job, Luke. Now let's shake our hands to see if they're ready. Are you ready? So we're going to shake our manos. Manos is how we say hands in Spanish. Can you say manos?
Manos.
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 All right, let's shake and freeze. Here we go. Shake, 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 freeze. Keep going. Shake, 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 freeze. Keep going. Shake, 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 freeze. One more time. We're going to shake our manos. Can you say manos?
Manos.
Manos. Can you say manos?
Manos.
Here we go. Shake one more time. Shake, 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 shake. Freeze. I feel like eating some fruit. Do you like fruit?
Yes.
I like fruit too. I'm in the mood for some juicy, delicious fruit. Do you have any fruit?
Yes.
You do? Can you share with me?
Yes.
Oh, so great. What kind of fruit do you have?
A mango.
A mango. Mango. Can I have some of your mango? Oh, a mango. Can you say mango?
Mango.
Mango. But I want another fruit. Do you have any other fruit?
Yeah. A banana.
A banana. Banana. I like bananas. Do you like bananas?
Yes.
I'm gonna hold my banana. Do you have any other fruit?
Yes. Orange.
A orange. Orange. Can I hold your orange? Ooh, a orange. What color is this orange?
Orange.
It's orange. But I want another fruit. Do you have another fruit, Jidelu?
Apple.
Hey, apple? What color is that apple?
Green.
A green apple. Can I see your green apple?
Yes.
It's a green apple. I think I'm going to keep this apple. An apple and a banana. A
Apple
and a
banana.
banana. But you know what? I know a song we can sing about apples and bananas. Okay, are you ready to sing a song about apples and bananas? Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, caregivers and little ones, let's sing about apples and bananas. Here we go. I like to eat apples and bananas. I like to eat apples and bananas. Let's use a sound. A. Ready? I like to eat apples and bananas. I love to eat apples and bananas. Let's use a E sound. Can you say E? E. I like to eat apples and bananas. I like to eat apples and bananas. Let's use a I sound. I like to eat apples and bananas. I like to eat apples and bananas. Let's use a O sound. Apple? Banana down. We're going to say, I like to apples and bananas. I like to apples and bananas. Let's use a oo sound. You ready? Here's banana. I like to Oopers and bananas. I like to oot, oot, oot. Oopers and bananas. Good job. Now let's sing it the right way for the last time. You ready? All right, here we go. I like to eat, eat, eat apples and bananas. I like to eat, eat, eat apples and bananas. I like to eat apples and bananas. Yay! Good job, good job. Let's take a look at our featured art. This artwork is from the Ogden Museum's permanent collection. Let's take a look at it together. What do you see? I see a face with 2 eyes and 2 noses and a mouth. Can you blink your eyes? Can you blink one eye? Great job. I see some green. I see some green leaves and maybe some feathers. I also see some things by the side of her face. Do you see those little squiggly lines by her left ear and her right ear? Yes. Can you touch your ears? Can you touch one ear? Can you touch both your ears at the same time? Perfect. Great job. This work is untitled. It was drawn by the artist named Minnie Evans. What a great artwork. Did you have a great time?
Yes, I had a great time.
I had a great time too. I hope you guys had a great time. So now it's time to sing the goodbye song. The same as we sing the hello song, we're going to sing the goodbye song. Are you ready, Jibelu?
Yes.
Okay, let's go. 1 hand up and 2 hands up. And wiggle your fingers and let me know that you're ready. And go high and low and high and low. Can you say high? High and low. One more time. High and low. Hands up. Manos up. Manos is hands in Spanish. Can you say manos?
Manos.
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 Okay, so let's sing the goodbye song. Here we go. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. Goodbye, everybody. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. Again. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. Goodbye, everybody. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. Now let's sing it in Espanol, in Spanish this time. So we're going to say
Adios.
adios instead of goodbye. Are you ready?
Yes.
Manos up, hands up. Manos,
Hands.
manos.
Hands.
Everybody say manos.
Manos.
Here we go. Let's sing the goodbye song. Adios, adios, adios. Adios, adios, adios. Adios, everybody. Adios, adios, adios. Again, adios, adios, adios. Sing adios, adios, adios. Both hands. Adios, everybody. Adios, adios, adios. Hands, manos, down. Oh, good job. Give me a round of applause. Good job. Good job, Jibelu. Good job. Good job.